Also feel some density, some heaviness in my forehead, a little bit of headache. And anger.
I felt gratefulness and connection in the moment you named anger.
Feel it in my lips, and in my fingertips, and my hands. Jaws.
Right now, your anger evokes in me sort of respect. Like, again, care, but in another shape, like some honoring towards you.
Mm. Mm.
It's like your anger signals something to me of who you are, like what your boundaries are, what the essence of you are. Some awe of this experience in its totality.
The anger says, don't mock me, respect me. Don't take amusement of my feelings. That's not allowed. How innocent it may be, that's not allowed.
Touches first my heart and then something deep in my belly. Fear of hurting you. I feel admiration, whatever that word is, for you.
The respect for you taking these things in. Be grateful. More sadness is coming up. There is more history here from other moments, which I'm not going to go into. But it awakens something deep and something that's been really hurt in the past.
When went from this soft curiosity to, as you mentioned, hurt, struck again, care. A love and a desire to both see you, feel you, and embrace you.